The best affordable, mid-level luxury diver watch on the market. Pause for a second. Step aside from affordability and the cost issue. This thing is damn sexy, probably one of the best looking divers out there. The TISSOT SEASTAR 1000. Did I do an intro? All right, well, you know what we got to do. We got to get out of here, get into the studio, take a closer look, maybe get a bird's eye view, get the white gloves on, get into the case, the dial, the movement, bracelet, cost, overall wearability of the TISSOT SEASTAR 1000, a Swiss-made stunner.
Now the case design specs, they're on the screen for you. But here we go. We have a 42 millimeter brushed and polished, sharp looking case design. On point, ceramic, 120 click, unidirectional bezel, sapphire sandwich with screw down exhibition case back. Oh boy, the finishes are top notch here. We have polished sections of that case and a very rich touch to add to an all around great looking package. Brushed stainless steel offers protection but doesn't show smudges, which is great. Now we have a push-pull guarded, signed, screw-down crown, which is fantastic for that water resistance, and Tissot finishes off this model with a gorgeous signed Milanese-style bracelet. Fabulous touch. A next-level offering for a sport tool watch design. Tissot stepping up their game, and at least in the conversation with some of the luxury brands at a small fraction of the cost. Now, of course, the rock star of this dial is that eye-catching dial color, the blue burst with black dial design. It's pretty amazing, especially when the sun or the light catches it at different angles. You don't know if it's a blue watch, you don't know if it's a black watch. But it has traditional shape indices around that dial, which are loomed, and steel borders, and it's on point with its finishing, let me tell you. Now we have sword-style loomed hands and a great loom-tipped large seconds hand. You know I love the heartbeat of the watch, that large seconds hand. We have Tissot 1853 signed at the 12. We have SEASTAR Powermatic 80 and 300 meters of water resistance signed at the 6. Now on the inner 6 position, we have that date complication instead of on or in place of that indice. Dark background, which is a great touch, and of course good visibility when you have the white on black numerals. Now sapphire, always a great touch for these watches, having great protection while allowing for fluid visibility from different angles. Now the movement for the Tissot SEASTAR is the modified Tissot ETA automatic movement. The Powermatic 80 is a workhorse, 21,600 vibrations per hour, and guess what? Wait for it, 80 hours of power reserve. Now the Tissot signed mesh bracelet. She adds a little weight, but offers great security with its fold-over clasp design and seduction with how classy and sexy it looks, finishing off this great full package here. Comfortable and functional. Boom! Less than 10% of the cost of your super luxurious Rolex Submariner, but much more attainable, financially and without market influence. At an estimate $700 cost US, the SEASTAR gives you serious bang for your buck and has an amazing look with this full kit. Overall, we're looking at an A+ here. This isn't a tough sell. Wears like a 40 millimeter, ceramic, sapphire, stainless steel, all the beautiful materials you'd expect in a classy, rich finish design. An affordable price point, Swiss Tissot ETA modified movement, and attainable, available online at many different resources, including the Tissot website. Not to mention, if you want to grab it at the Bay here in Canada, reach out and touch someone. Now she is versatile, even though she's got a 21 millimeter lug width. She works any number of strap option designs, leather, NATO, and even variations of the silicone rubber that she comes on as well, which offers an even lighter weight overall package. With 300 meters of water resistance, this thing's off the charts with its good looks and functionality. The Tissot SEASTAR 1000. Are you ready for it? Dive in.
ultimate build quality and super craftsmanship. This gorgeous Swiss-made timepiece is a awesome looking tool watch, and with great functionality, probably the best bargain out there.
Now on the TheCovertCrow, do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss the next video. And what do I always say? You know there's going to be another video. I'm on Instagram. It's right there. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. The TISSOT SEASTAR 1000 on the TISSOT OEM mesh bracelet. I want to see you on the next one. Am I going to see you on the next one? See you on the next one. I'm out.